People often ask me, can you bluff in bridge? Can you swindle declarer out of making his contract? Well, this hand came up some weeks ago in the Times and was written up by Andrew Robson, and I quite like this hand, so I thought I would use it for you so you can see how the hand pans out and the swindle that West operated. North-South gets a 6 spades and West leads the king of hearts, and partner discourages the first trick, and there's no point now in playing another heart. It looks like partner's got 3 and there's 3 in the dummy, so declarer is going to trump the second heart. Now you would love a ruff in clubs, so you decide to play a club, and declarer wins the trick with the ace. Now the swindle takes place. Watch carefully. South drew trumps, but West gives South a chance to go wrong. Does South take this chance? Watch and see what happens. South now goes over to the club. But he can't go over to the club because West trumps. That's the only way that West thought he could safely get to the dummy. He was going over to the queen of clubs, and West trumped before South could believe what had happened. And now declarer drew the last trump, and the trumps were breaking 2-2. But when South drew one round the trumps and the jack fell, we'll show you with the whole hand in a minute, it looked like the trumps were breaking 3-1. The odds are that the spades are likely to be 2-2. But when an honour appears, the partner is twice as likely to have the other honour. It's called the restricted principle of restricted choice. So when West played the jack of spades, it looked like he had no more, and South was calmly going over to the queen of clubs to take the finesse. But what turned out was that West had no more clubs and the contract went 1-off. If South had played the king of spades or the ace of spades and West dropped the 9 and then goes the 2 and the 4, West has no problem and just has to lay down the king. But West gave South a chance to go wrong by dropping the jack on the first round of spades. And then West got his ruff in clubs because it looked like, as far as South could see, the only way to get to dummy safely was with the queen of clubs. So that's how a swindle worked. And that's how East West took a stone cold contract 1 down.